maludante nga ni kinukusan sampulo.
So, we are here at Bicol and we are, wait lang, that maganda ako sa video ko. So, welcome to my vlog. This is yes.
This is yes.
So, this is day 1 in Bicol. After, yes.
After 22
After
hours.
22 hours of travel by car, we are now here at the house.
Yes. Naginom ako, boss. Naginom.
Uminom ka! Now we know that you can drink a glass.
Yeah.
So, today we are not doing anything, and especially me, I'm the princess.
I'm the princess.
I'm the princess.
Princess Fiona.
Grabe, ang ganda ko. Wag yun. We're here at, Maambon? Here we are at the hills.
At the palay, ano yun?
Palayan, in the rice fields. Amoy
Amoy
Amoy.
tae.
tae ng ano.
Kalaba ay baka.
20 hours travel time by car.
20 hours? 22 hours.
Next time we go airplane.
Sakay airplane.
Yes.